There are more speculations regarding the new phones coming in the autumn as the iPhone 15 debut approaches nearer. In order to make Apple's new phones more pleasant to handle, the iPhone the 15th of May potentially have a more rounded shape. Additionally, improvements to the cameras and chipsets may also be planned. Since Apple reserves its most important updates for its high-end smartphones, anticipate a sizable iPhone 15 this 15 Pro divide. The new 3M-A17 Bionic chip and titanium-sided construction are expected to be included in both the 15 Pro and Pro Max. With a new periscope lens that enhances its zoom powers, the Pro Max might go one step farther. Well-known Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo claims that the iPhone 15 would use an updated ultra-wideband processor, which the company refers to as the U1 CPU, to better connect with its new Air headset. A popular short-range wireless communication protocol for locating objects is called Vision Pro Ultra-Wideband. According to a recent tweet by Ming-Chi Kuo, all of this is a part of Apple's larger effort to create a more competitive environment for Vision Pro. In terms of the phone's screens, we anticipate the iPhone 15 will provide one significant advancement over the 14. According to reports, the 15 will follow the sports lead and have a 6.1-inch Super XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels. The dynamic island, Apple's clever screen cutout from the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, however, is almost certainly going to make its way into the range and offer the phone a more premium feel. The proximity sensor on the iPhone 15 will be built into the dynamic island itself, rather than being placed below it as cool notes, according to a recent tweet from Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. Modern sensor, though the iPhone 15's dynamic island will technically be more advanced than the latter's given the inclusion of a previously isolated sensor beyond the dynamic island. The appearance and functionality of the 15 compared to the 14 Pro are unlikely to differ significantly due to arrangement. However, the iPhone 15's display is anticipated to be identical to that of its predecessors. It is said that the adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate technology in both the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max phones automatically changes the smoothness of their displays to fit whatever is occurring on screen. However, it seems that the iPhone 15 will once again remain with a 14 static 60 Hz refresh rate. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.